I'm all about saving time and using products that can make a job easier to do, so when I saw this Fastway Flip Jack at a trade show, it immediately caught my attention. No more messing around with blocks of wood or putting on and taking off the tongue jack foot. The Fastway Flip Jack drops into place automatically when you extend the jack, and it tucks up out of the way automatically when you retract the jack for towing. And it's easy to install. Let me show you how to do it right now. The Fastway Flip Jack foot adds 6 inches automatically to your 2-inch or 2 1/4 inch tongue jack. It can be used on manual side or top wind jacks or with electric tongue jacks. Read and follow all installation instructions. Locate the trailer on a flat level surface such as a driveway or parking lot. Chalk both sides of the trailer in both directions. For this installation, you can keep the trailer coupled to the tow vehicle, or you can use jack stands under the trailer tongue to support the trailer without the use of the tongue jack. Measure your tongue jack to make sure you have the correctly sized flip jack foot. Do not exceed the max tongue weight rating and only use the proper size flip jack for the application. Read all of the options in the installation instructions before drilling any holes in the tongue jack. Extend the tongue jack almost to the ground. Place a block of wood under the tongue jack. Lay the flip jack on top of the wood block with the base plate towards the back of the trailer. Slowly extend the jack tube until it rests on the jack foot and wood block, and so that the locating plate is pushed up tightly against the front wall of the inner jack tube. The drill guide hole should be perpendicular to the trailer and jack tube and 1.5 inches from the bottom of the tube and centered on the tube. Extend the jack until the weight resting on the flip jack foot holds it securely in place so it will not move while the guide holes are being drilled. Using a 3/16 inch drill bit, drill a pilot hole on both sides of the jack tube using the pilot holes as guides. Retract the tongue jack to a comfortable drilling height and remove the flip jack foot and wood block. Use a 1/2 inch drill bit to enlarge the pilot holes. Ream the hole slightly to deburr it and open it up. Switch sides and drill and ream the second hole. Pass the drill bit all the way through the inner jack tube to make sure there's a clean path for the bolt. If drilling the holes leaves a burr or lip, use a file or grinder to smooth the edge so the pivoting operation of the flip jack foot moves freely. If the installation is on a round tongue jack, install the included spacer ring on the jack now. A square tongue jack does not need the spacer to operate properly. Install a 1/2 inch washer onto the 1/2 inch bolt. Place the flip jack on the tongue jack and align the mounting holes, and slide the bolt through the slots in the jack foot and the holes in the jack tube. Install a 1/2 inch washer and lock nut. Tighten the nut securely using 2 3/4 inch wrenches, and then back the lock nut off just enough for the flip jack to move back and forth easily. Now let's see how our new flip jack works. That's all there is to it. If you tow a trailer, the Fastway Flip Jack will save you time and trouble. For more information on Fastway trailer products or to order your Fastway Flip Jack, visit www.fastwaytrailer.com. Don't leave home without it. Happy camping.